am definitely a big proponent of celebrating our sisters, and so that is what tonight is all about.
Women on the Rise is not just a membership-based organization. They're truly a movement, and it's a community where you can come, assess what your specific needs are, your strengths, your weaknesses, and you can grow in every aspect of your life. So the whole theme was about turning lemons into legacies. And in life we go through so many bitter situations. We have a choice to respond and turn, horrible situations into something beautiful. And that's what I love tonight. It was a celebration of so many women.
We have a responsibility as Ford employees and Ford dealers on a local level to be a part of the growth of our community. And we're part of the fabric of every community in this country. And this really gives us an opportunity to get out there, showcase our products, talk about the work that we do, and really gain advocates, friends, and ultimately, hopefully, new customers as we continue the work.
This feels amazing because I worked so hard to get to where I am. I just always wanted to help the community because the community is what helped me get to here today. This group, like Women on the Rise, it helps to elevate all women from all genres and all ethnic backgrounds to be who we are and to be successful.
It's really challenging for women in the workforce in STEM and STEAM careers, and there's so many barriers, and there's so many times that I wanted to quit. I want to help reduce those barriers, so I'm just really grateful.
This organization, you felt the love in the room, you felt the respect in the room, and you just felt embraced.
The value is just the connectiveness. Like, I have a sisterhood. I have people who will always be there to support me. I'm not going through this journey on my own. I am so grateful to Women on the Rise for the past 8 weeks and just to be a member in general.
I would implore everyone in this room to walk it and move in kindness. Work for others. Do for others. It brings fruits to so many different things in my life, and I'm incredibly grateful. As I see all of these incredible women continue what you do, it changes the game. It's contagious.